Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be sharing how to crack NEET 2021 and what strategies you have to follow in order to crack NEET. And we'll be starting with biology. Okay. In biology, what you will be doing? You will be reading NCERT thoroughly. You will be reading each and every chapter at least 5 times. You have to read each and every chapter at least 5 times. And go through images and don't leave anything from NCERT. You'll be going through the images. You'll be reading NCERT 5 times. Don't leave anything from NCERT and do NCERT bits. You'll be doing NCERT bits and you'll be also solving PYQ questions. You'll also solve PYQ questions. Here when you do in this manner, you'll be getting 360. When you solve, when you read NCERT, each and every chapter of NCERT, if you read each and every chapter of NCERT 5 times, you will be getting 360. And you have to go through images because image based questions are also asked in the exam. So don't leave any image like diagrams. Go through each and every diagram from NCERT. And then you will be doing NCERT based bits. Then you will be doing NCERT based bits, and then you will be solving PYQs like previous year's questions. You will be solving for biology. First you'll read each and every chapter at least 5 times. You'll read each and every chapter at least 5 times. From now you will be reading each and every chapter for at least 5 times. And you'll go through the diagrams which are in textbook, and you are not going to leave anything from NCERT. And then you'll be doing NCERT based bits again, and you'll be doing NCERT based bits, and then you'll be solving PYQ questions. Then you'll be solving previous year questions. Okay, and you'll be solving previous year questions. Yeah. Here in my course I am providing you like detailed NCERT lessons. Notes are provided for lessons, and we are giving like a weekly test, grand test, and assignments are provided in my course, and doubt sessions are there. If you follow my course, I will definitely assure you that you will be getting 600 even if you are a beginner. Okay, if you follow my course, even if you are a beginner, you will be getting 600 plus. Yeah, and don't miss this opportunity. It is a golden chance to everyone. If you want to become a doctor, you have to you have to join my course, and the details are in description. Okay, what strategy we have to follow in chemistry? Here in physical chemistry, you will make a formula chart and revise formulas every day. And in inorganic chemistry, you will read each and every point and underline the points and revise, and you will be revising the like reactions every day. You will be reading each and every point, and you will be underlining the points, and you will be revising the reactions every day. Yeah. Whereas in organic chemistry, you will be remembering the reagents and mechanism and revise them every day. In general chemistry, underline important points and revise them. If you do this for 30 days, you can get 150 in chemistry. First, in physical chemistry, what you'll do, you have to make formula chart and you have to revise these formulas every day. Whereas in inorganic chemistry, you will be reading each and every point, and you will be underlining the points, and you will revise the reactions every day. You will underline the points and revise, and you will be also revising the reactions every day in inorganic chemistry. Whereas in organic chemistry, you will be remembering the reagents and mechanism and you will be revising them. Whereas in general chemistry, you will be underlining the important points and revise them. You will be underlining the important points and revise them. And you have to do this only for last 30 days, like remaining days. If you follow this plan, you can get 150 in chemistry. 150 plus you can get in chemistry. Yeah, and then you will be solving NCERT examples. Yeah, and then NCERT exemplar also. Then you will be doing PYQs. First, you will be solving NCERT examples. Don't skip any examples because from examples, directly questions are coming from NCERT examples. So you will not leave any NCERT example. And then you will be solving NCERT exemplar also. For chemistry, you will be solving NCERT examples, NCERT exemplars, and you will be doing PYQ questions. You will be doing previous year questions. Yeah. For chemistry, physics, what you will be doing? For chemistry, we have discussed. Then we'll be moving to chemistry, like physics. In physics, you will be reading your notes thoroughly. In physics, you will be reading your notes thoroughly, and you'll make formula chart for each and every chapter and revise them. You will make formula chart for each chapter and revise them daily and solve each and every problem of your notes. You will be solving each and every problem of your notes and you will be doing previous year questions and you'll be doing previous year questions. And in physics, in order to improve your marks, you will be maintaining error book. You have to maintain one error book. If you want to improve your marks, you have to maintain an error book. If you maintain error book, this will improve your marks. In case of physics, if you maintain error book, this will improve your marks. And if you follow this, like reading notes thoroughly and making formula chart for each chapter and revising them daily and solve each and every problem of your notes and you have to solve previous year questions, and by maintaining this error book, if you follow all this, you will definitely score 150 in physics. You will be definitely scoring 150 in physics. So if you follow this strategy, you can score 600 plus. Okay. If you want to join my course, the details are in description box. Thank you. All the best.